to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I am so excited to be sharing my 2021 Valentine's Day decor with you guys today. So before we jump into this video, I just wanted to say that today's video is in collaboration with my friend Tyler here on YouTube. She has such a great channel, you guys. She's so sweet and she's seriously so inspiring. She is truly the definition of a boss mama. You guys will love her channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself here.
Hey everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm collaborating with Tristina on this video today. Over on my channel you find a lot of motherhood content. I'm really trying to focus on cleaning, organizing, decorating, and a lot of productivity for 2021 over on my channel. So I have a lot of clean with me's, decorate with me's, a lot of get it done with me's. So after you watch Tristina's video, be sure to head over to my channel and check out my Valentine's Day decorate with me. And if you aren't subscribed already, I'd love to have you be a part of my YouTube family, so be sure to go subscribe.
Now that you guys have met Tyler, after you're done watching my video, it would mean so much to me if you go over to her channel and check out her video and let her know that I sent you. You guys will not be disappointed if you head over there. I love all of her videos. But before I start decorating with you guys, I do have a little mini haul, so I figured I'd share that with you guys in today's video as well. Okay, so the first thing I got was from TJ Maxx, and it's just this little faux plant. I guess that this really isn't necessarily Valentine's Day, but I'm sure I'm going to use it in today's video. So this is $12.99 from TJ Maxx, and I just loved the basket on it. And I just love plants, like filling them in between my hutch and everything like that. They're just great filler pieces. So I always grab some of those. I picked up this cute little set of little mini mugs. Probably for my chicken wire basket over here, but I'm not sure yet. I guess we'll see. I really love the pinks for Valentine's Day. However, I do have red from past years, so I'll probably mix red and pink in my kitchen and then try to keep my dining room with the hutch and stuff more pink is kind of like what I'm thinking. I don't know, I'd love to do just pink, if we're being honest. Just kind of over red after Christmas, but I don't think I have enough just pink, so I'm not positive how that will work. But this was $5.99 for this set of 4 mini mugs. I picked up a Valentine's Day candle. So this is the DW Home in the scent Love Letters. Honestly not my favorite scent, but I thought it was cute. It would match my stuff. It's just like a very florally scent, and I'm not a big floral candle person, if we're being honest. But this was $6.99. And then I picked up this little Ray Dunn XOXO. This is the only thing that I was able to find in this pink color, and this was $9.99. And then one of my best friends picked me up this from a different TJ Maxx, or actually maybe it was the same TJ Maxx, I don't know. But it's just the cupcake with the love and the little heart, and this was $12.99. My Target dollar spot has been bare. It's been horrible. I haven't found much at all, but I did pick up these 2 little wreaths. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to use them yet, but I have a few different ideas. These were $5 a piece, and then I also picked up a set of Valentine's Day hand towels. Maybe. I'm not fully sure where they are right now, but you'll see them somewhere in this video. And then moving on to Dollar General, actually, or Family Dollar, Dollar General. I got a few things there, so I just picked up another little faux plant. This one was only $5. I think this one's super cute. I actually think I'm going to use this in my bathroom. And then I picked up this one, a little truck. I said I'm trying to stay away from the red, but since I know that I have a lot of red, I thought that this would go good with it, with the pink, like kind of bringing that in, and this was only $1. And then I just picked up this little thing of garland. This is like very thin garland, but I feel like it's perfect to put in a tiered tray to fill it up, and this was $3. And then I picked up this little sign. I like that this can be used for everyday decor, but with the love on it, it just kind of brings it in for Valentine's Day as well. This was $8, I believe. And that's everything I got. I tried to get some new pieces that I'll be able to work in with my everyday decor when I take Valentine's Day down and things like that. But I did also pick up a few new Valentine's Day pieces. So now let's go ahead and get right into cleaning and decorating.
Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like.
So we are going to start in my dining room on the hutch. As always, this is just the easiest spot for me to start because it takes up the most decor. It's the largest area for me to decorate. So I always like to start here. And also this time you're going to notice that I didn't take everything completely down, and that's because I'm just going to be mixing my Valentine's Day decor into some of my everyday decor. So you're going to see that I just add little pieces to really kind of spice up the area. Garland always makes that help. So this heart garland is actually from Target last year, and I'm just mixing it with some lamb's ear to really make it stick out on the white. And speaking of layering, you're going to see that that's just something I've been really into right now. Just adding pieces on like this doily that I got from the Dollar Tree onto this little chair. It just really brings everything all together, and isn't it super inexpensive way to decorate because you can just get little florals like these flowers you're going to see throughout my whole house are again from the Dollar Tree, other than these ones. These are from the Target dollar spot, but the other ones that I keep pulling off the stems, they're from the Dollar Tree, and like I said, I just pull them off the stem and stick them in between places, and that little bit of layering effect, it just really goes a long way.
Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Another super inexpensive way to decorate for Valentine's Day is getting some cute glass jars and just putting these little hearts, the candy hearts, into them, or M&Ms or whatever Valentine's Day candy you might want to do. I got these candy hearts from the Dollar Tree, and my little jar is from Walmart last year, but the Dollar Tree actually had some really cute jars as well. Don't doubt the Dollar Tree, you guys, because I am always finding super cute things there that you can add to or even take away from to really make it work with your decor.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Say something meaningful. Say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that
I wanted to take a minute now that we're like halfway through this video and say a hi and welcome if you're new here, whether you're coming from Tyler's channel or if you just stumbled across this video. Hi, my name's Tristina. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, and I started YouTube a long time ago, really for the memories. I used to do a lot of vlogs before we had kids even, but then as I became a stay-at-home mom, I found it a great way to keep myself inspired and motivated throughout the day, filming and helping trying to motivate you guys. It just really gets me more in the mood to get things done that I have to get done. But with that being said, I post a lot of motherhood and lifestyle content, cleaning, organizing, decorating, recipes, all of that good stuff. So if any of that sounds like something you're interested in, it would mean the world to me if you press the subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. And don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments down below because I love getting to know you guys.
you're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you.
I love having a 2-tiered tray as my centerpiece. It's just a super easy piece that I can move off the table when the kids are doing crafts and stuff like that. And almost every piece you're seeing on here is actually from Walmart last year, or that little kisses sign is from Hobby Lobby, but a lot of it is from Walmart last year. I personally was not as impressed with the Walmart Valentine's Day decor section this year, but last year I thought they had some really cute pieces. I've only looked once this year because I haven't been, leaving my house as much. So if you found some cute pieces from Walmart, definitely let me know in the comments, because the one time I went, I did not find a whole lot.
Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful.
This chicken wire stand in my kitchen is one of my favorite areas to decorate, and I always get questions on where it's from. So I just got this from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago now, but I do know that they still have it. Make sure you buy it when it's on sale or with a 40% off coupon, because to me, without the sale, it's not worth the price, but with the sale, it's not horrible. I truly love decorating this area. It's just so fun. Another place that I love to kind of like layer things, and it's really like my main decor spot in my kitchen. So I have a lot of fun with this area.
You're beautiful. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one.
Now that the kitchen and the dining room are complete, we're gonna go ahead and move into my living room. I didn't add a whole lot into the living room, but the little pieces that I did add definitely make it feel more like a Valentine's Day.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one.
And I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry.
So I'm sure you guys are noticing all the toys everywhere, because I do on the daily basis. And since Christmas, we have just had so many toys. So this living room is actually a work in progress. I'm gonna get some organizational pieces and not just this white bin to organize the toys and make it look more, you know, less cluttered in here. It's something I'm working on in a video I'm gonna have coming up for you guys soon, hopefully. But with that being said, also Tristan, my youngest, is still in our bedroom. He turns 1 next month, so next month we are going to be working on moving rooms around, and a lot of different videos that have to do with, you know, room makeovers and stuff will be coming up within the next few months, as well as we give ourselves a closet bedroom because Braden's in a really small bedroom right now, and we're gonna move him and Tristan into our bedroom. They're gonna share a room, and we're gonna move into Braden's bedroom, which is literally so small. We're gonna have to downsize our bed and everything, but I'm going to take advantage of downsizing our bed and try and make the room look, you know, cozier and cute and more put together than what our rooms are now. I haven't touched our rooms since we've moved into this house, just because I knew that we were going to eventually be moving them around. So now is finally the time, and I am excited to kind of share our small room transformations with you guys. Also, I put in this clip of me putting on the pillow covers because I wanted to tell you guys that this is like one of my biggest decor tips, I guess, is to buy pillow covers instead of regular pillows. 90% of my pillows are just pillow covers. For one, they're so much less expensive, and they also take up so much less room, so you don't have to worry about storing the pillows. The only holiday I have like full-on pillows for, other than I have like a few like random throw pillows, but Christmas is the only holiday I have like all actual different pillows for, and it literally takes up a whole storage bin on its own. So I definitely recommend doing pillow covers. As we come to an end on today's video, I just wanted to say that I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some decor inspiration. Also, please don't forget to check out Tyler's video and show her some love. She really stuck with me through this collab. I have had all of the technical difficulties on this video, but we finally are getting it up. So thank you, Tyler, for sticking with me, and I hope you guys all go and check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
It all points right to that. I set myself